Hi and welcome. I am going to show you an example of content email and lead you through step by step on how to write it. A content email can be short and it can be really long, as you can see from this example. Content emails use story as the core of the content. You can start with writing a title for your story as the subject line. In this example, what I have used is how T33 saved me and my business to promote a t-shirt printing service provided by T33. And then start with your story. I have written it in a way to show how effective it is for this T33 benefits me and save my business. In the content, you must write that the problem is that you are facing. In this email, to own a producing factory is the main problem. And then followed by a solution, which is the printing service from T33. This way, there is no need to own a producing factory to print t-shirts. This is the solution that solved the problem once and for all. You must be able to convey the problem solution message to your audience in content email. Moving on, include the link to the website. If you are selling your own product, paste the link to your sales page. If you are promoting other people's products, paste your affiliate link right here. And then you can end this with your signature. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.